Okay, so here we are. Going to test the card out right now. MCO. So I got a Walmart. Let's see if it works.
Insert cash or select payment type.
That's tight.
Greetings everybody, this is Jacob, and I wanted to do a video showing you how to fund your MCO Visa debit card. That's right, you can spend cryptocurrency on everyday products that you buy from everyday stores like Walmart, the mall. If you even go to the mall shopping anymore, you can use your debit card that you can get from the crypto.com currency application exchange, and you will be able to make purchases through that. So right now, as you can see, I'm on the home page. I'm going to take you to the account, and when you come to the account page, which is the button on the bottom left, you will be able to see the crypto wallet. You press crypto wallet and it shows you how much you have in the actual wallet. But on the top of the page, it will tell you the total amount of cryptocurrency that you have in United States dollar or fiat currency. So the total of Bitcoin, total Ethereum, and total crypto.com coin I have is going to show my total balance in United States dollars up on the top. But where you want to go when you're ready to fund your card is you want to go to the card on the bottom right. I pushed on that, and then you come to the MCO Visa card page. Now you have the top up button on the left, which is here. I'm going to click on that, and then I have the crypto wallet on the left and the fiat wallet on the right, and I can choose to fund either one of these. But I'm going to be funding my card from the crypto that I have in my wallet, which is why I chose this here. Now right now $100 is right there on the top here where it says 0.0891 Ethereum. That's how much $100 is going to be in Ethereum. So if I change this to $10 or $11 right now at this moment is 0.0098 ETH up here. If I did not want to choose a Ethereum to use from the wallet that I have, then I could choose Bitcoin, or I could choose Ripple. But of course Ripple says I have 0 XRP. My Litecoin, I have nothing in there. My Stellar, I have nothing in there. And then my EOS, I have nothing in there. But if I had crypto inside of any of these cryptocurrencies in my wallet, I would be able to pull the current crypto to fund my card. So I'm going to go back up to Ethereum. I currently have 0.011440687 right here. But as I can see, I click on the 100 to select the amount. I don't want to do 100, so I'm going to put in the bare minimum. As you can see, it says below minimum here in the actual blue button. It's shaded out because I haven't reached the minimum, and they're saying that the minimum amount right now is 0.0236 Ethereum. So if you go back on the top here, I want to put in the dollar amount I think is going to equate to the minimum amount. So in other words, I'm going to try $10. $10 is 0.0088 ETH. So I'm going to do $15. That's 0.0133 ETH. So let's do 20. $20 is not the minimum amount, so I'm going to do 25, which is not. I'm going to do 27. So $27 is more than enough of the minimum. So once I choose top up $27 worth of cryptocurrency on my, I can put it on my card. This page here confirms that I'm going to be doing that. All I have to do is hit confirm on the bottom, and then when I do, I'll get this page here. It says you have topped up $25.94, and once I topped up, then I come back to the page that I just deposited the amount down here, and that's how much I deposited on the date and the time, $25.94. Now, I went through the checkout process in Walmart. That's the first few seconds you saw at the beginning of this video. And that shows up on my ledger down here also, $12.80 at Walmart. So it has all of this in my ledger below down here. This is the ledger. It basically records all the activities and transactions that you did on the bottom here. So I hope that this video helped you in regards to learning about the MCO Visa debit card. It's metal, it's beautiful, it's really, really awesome, and it feels great to have and hold. And I hope and pray that this video has added value, and that you have a successful, prosperous, and abundant, joyful life. All right, stay blessed. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, or you can comment me below. All right, blessing.